I have a friend who says that you can always taste when food is cooked with love. And with this group of people, it would be impossible not to serve a dish that's just drowning in love. Hi, I'm Will. I am a soil scientist and a private chef based in Michigan. With every dinner that I host, I pretty much only hire my friends and family. They come up with these ideas that I could have never thought of myself. And I'm just so grateful to work with people who have that creative drive and feel the freedom to really use their artistry. That's the thing that really keeps me going.